It's Tuesday morning here in Cedar Run. Another quiet day. We just rented an apartment sight unseen in Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, which is where we plan to be living the remainder of this year once we finally get there. Still waiting for our title for our car to come. We have no idea when that's actually going to come, hopefully in the next week. But we're sort of stuck until we can't do anything with importing the car until we have that piece of paper, so we're sort of stuck here until then. It's been interesting though to be in a place and have an open-ended stay and really have no idea when we're leaving, and so we can't anticipate the end coming at any point, so we're just enjoying it day by day, which is sort of nice. And we're sleeping in late and dressing in really crappy clothes and staying up really late. It's been nice.
Home is a place in my mind, I think about it now. I cannot find home is a place I left behind, I left it by choice. I cannot find my home. Sweet home.
Get in that.
This is the new wall that Mommy was painting white.
How's it look?
I'm going to try to replace the seats on this canoe. They're a little bit worn. I'm not entirely sure I can do it, but I think I can do it. We'll see. Okay, so now the hard part, I gotta fit the new seats. And they don't quite fit, so there's gonna be some sawing involved. Unfortunately, I don't have a power saw, so I'm gonna be doing this the old-fashioned way. Well, the canoe project is unfinished. Get it done tomorrow, hopefully. That drill is like the weakest drill known to mankind. Hopefully charging it will help. Strike three. You're out. Strike out looking. Oh, almost went in the creek. Oh, it did go in the creek. Quick, give me your bat.
Because he has to take the ball out. It's all wet now.
1-0 delivery, fly ball, left center field. Buxton going back at the wall. Goodbye, home run! The Rickard run continues.
Is it really cold? Oh my gosh. Ah. Gross. Great job. Nathan. You just want good vlog material. You just want good vlog material.
Oh. That wasn't the tennis balls.
What?
Zoe Rickard hit that. I didn't know he was that powerful.
Yeah, I didn't either.
And I almost saw all of the names.
I
Well,
know.
what was that movie's name called?
Spy Kids.
So I'm Spy Kid.
Oh, did you pump up Sam's tire? I think we're done baseball in the yard with you.
We're done baseball right now?
Hey, Ren, how's your baby?
He doesn't have to walk.
Well, that's not obvious.